Hey, what's going on? Look, I've been sitting on this video for a while because I wanted to make sure I had enough real data. I run a pretty tight testing process when it comes to crypto platforms, and the area I've been focused on lately is automated crypto trading. Not as a buzzword, as actual functioning infrastructure that I've been pressure testing with real capital over the past several months. And today I want to pull back the curtain on exactly how this stuff works on my account. And then stick around afterward because I've got some things to say that come directly from personal experience. Alright, let's actually do this. First thing is trading pair, and the reason this coin list is as deep as it is comes down to a single architectural fact. This system is operating across multiple exchanges at the same time, and that's what generates this kind of selection. Okay, I'm selecting live here, and the next field comes up. I'm swinging over to wallet. Okay, copying my receiving address, coming back and slotting it into this field. Done.
Next is CAB allocation. Here I'm settling the working capital for the session. Setting it at, yeah, that's a sensible amount for what I'm running. Good. Then risk level. And I want to take a beat on this one because people consistently underestimate how much this setting actually shapes outcomes. It controls the bot's selectivity filter, the threshold at which it determines that a trade carries too much pricing uncertainty to be worth executing. Crank it up and it starts pursuing opportunities with more ambiguity. Pull it back and it holds out for cleaner setups. I'm sitting mine somewhere deliberate, active but not overextended. And the last piece is strategy, which is the specific operational framework it is going to follow, the methodology it applies when it's scanning for price discrepancies across markets. Okay, everything sits exactly where I want it. Let's run this. So this screen is up. I've got a few different assets on hand and I can use one of those directly. The platform takes care of the conversion automatically on their end. Nothing I need to prepare beforehand.
Okay, that's Dane confirming it. And okay, the system is live, trades executing, win rate building, average spread tracking, and chart mapping the session in real time. So now it's just we step back and watch it for a few minutes. Okay, session has run, and this screen is the complete accounting of everything that just happened. How many trades cleared, total runtime, which strategy was active, and the net return with the platform fee already stripped out of it. That bottom line figure is what I came here to see. Okay, I'm tapping withdraw now, and we just give that a few minutes to settle. And I want to use that time to cover what I think matters. I've been running a structured evaluation process across crypto platforms for years. Methodical, documented, not exploratory. And over that time, I've ended up inside a significant number of fake projects. And that's the actual structural problem. They have gotten precise enough at replicating the presence of legitimate ones that the difference genuinely isn't visible without active investigation. So from enough direct exposure to have built a real evaluation process around this, I engage with the product properly. Not a surface pass. I mean going through every section, every function, every setting it offers multiple times. Because a platform that's been built with real intention has an internal logic to it that's immediately apparent. Things connect the way they should, functionality does what it claims, the experience of using it feels like it was designed by someone who expected people to actually stay and use it. And when that's absent, even before you can identify exactly what's missing, something just feels off about it. The second thing I do is run the core functionality repeatedly under different conditions. Not once, not twice, I mean across many sessions with intentionally varied configurations. Because a single good result is essentially meaningless as a signal. What I'm actually looking for is whether the system produces reliable output when I change the inputs. Different capital amounts, different risk settings, different market conditions. And so here's the concrete version of where I'm at with what I just showed you. I've been putting this platform through exactly that process for the past several weeks, and every time I've adjusted the conditions, the system has responded correctly. Withdrawals clear cleanly, numbers hold up across sessions, nothing has come up that gave me reason to look twice at what I was seeing. And that's the output of a real process applied over a real period, not a cherry-picked result I decided to film on a good day. And that's all I've got on this one. Appreciate your time.